Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Read More tag in WordPress. This essential tool allows you to control how much of your post appears on your blog's main page or archive listings. By strategically placing this tag, you can present a compelling snippet, encouraging readers to click for the complete article. It's a simple yet effective way to improve site navigation and user engagement, making your content more accessible and appealing to everyone. Adding the Read More tag is quite straightforward. First, navigate to the post or page you wish to edit within your WordPress dashboard. Once inside the editor, position your cursor at the exact point where you want the excerpt to conclude. Then, simply locate and click the Read More block in the block editor or the dedicated icon in the classic editor toolbar. A horizontal line will appear, indicating the tag's placement. While the default Read More text works well, you have options for customization. For instance, you can modify the actual text of the link that appears, perhaps changing it to continue reading or view full post. This often involves adding a small code snippet or using a plugin. Furthermore, for those comfortable with CSS, you can adjust the visual styling of the link, ensuring it perfectly matches your website's design and branding. To maximize the effectiveness of the Read More tag, consistency is key. Apply it uniformly across your blog posts to maintain a clean and predictable layout. Strategically place the tag after a compelling opening paragraph, typically after 100 to 150 words, to truly entice readers. This practice not only improves user experience by reducing clutter, but also significantly enhances your site's overall navigation and content discoverability, keeping visitors engaged longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.